Hi everybody, welcome to 3D Print Club. I'm going to show you how to access your account, and this is mainly for people who are doing 3D Print Club virtually. So basically, go onto your Microsoft Teams account, and you should have been added to a 2021-22 3D Printing Club. You click on the Teams, it should take you to the general posts. And right at the beginning here, it has a link right here, or a section that says log into your Tinkercad account. Now it says for 6th graders only, but that is not true because there's more to the message. So if you click see more, it will open up the full message. I have to scroll up. So if you're a 6th grader in my 3D Print Club, and you would like to reuse your account that I created for you last school year, so that means you were a 5th grader last year with me, and you did the 3D assignment then, click on your old homeroom teacher's name and log in with your school username. If you're a new 6th grader, or if you're a 5th grader, I created a new Tinkercad account for you. And all you do is you click on the link right here. So if I click on this link, it'll open up Microsoft Edge. And it's going to ask you to join with a nickname or email or a username. I want everybody to click on the green Join with Nickname button. Now before you do that, you might want to bookmark this page. To bookmark this page, you can click on this little star with a plus sign. I would just simply click on the star with the plus sign. And I have mine on what's called a full favorites bar. But I'm going to click done. And then what it does, it adds it right here as a link. So now I can click on this. I don't have to go into Microsoft Teams to access the account. So now I click on that. I'm going to click the green Join with Nickname. It's going to type your nickname. Now your nickname is going to be your school username. So your last name, first initial, middle initial for most students. So I'm going to type in my school username and say that's me. And it's going to take me into an account that looks just like this. And this is where we begin. Your first time logging in, first time ever on Tinkercad, I want you to follow along and finish the learning lessons. And so you're going to go up to the top right here where it says Learn. I want you to click on Learn. And there are what's called starter projects or starter lessons. So there's 4 starter lessons, but if I click See All Starters, you're going to see that there are 10 starter lessons. Your task, if this is your first time ever in Tinkercad or using 3D software, I want you to complete all 10 of these lessons. You just simply click on the lesson and follow the instructions. If you go back to my Microsoft Teams page, and up at the top right here, you'll see where it says Files. You click on Files, and you'll see where it says Tinkercad Starter Lessons. If you click on that, I created a video that teaches you how to get through all 10 of the starter lessons. You can watch the videos, or you can just try to follow along on your own. But basically, each video is approximately 1 or 1.5 minutes long. You just simply press play, and it will show you how to access. So you click on Learn, you click this, and it basically just shows you where and go through the whole process. There is no audio, no music, or just a little bit of music, no words, just literally you watch and it shows you how to complete the lesson. So hopefully that gets you started with logging in and getting started with my 3D Print Club. I look forward to seeing what you are creating.